right through here. That's where we're gonna start our adjustment. We're also, of course, working kind of through the shoulders and the neck with our shockwave. We start to find the adjustments that people connect with best and that connects best with their body. Many times people have never experienced adjustments like this before coming. We start to connect here with Justin. We get on the table, drop through. There we go. We're gonna go a little bit higher here. Open, open, open. There we go. And we'll check through his shoulders, because again here we can kind of see the shoulders rounding. We'll take this here, rock it back, head up, rock it back, I got you. Good.